You can have a delicious dipping sauce for fruit. In 1 minute, with 3 ingredients, bam, dip away. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and yes, in under a minute, you can have a delicious dipping sauce for fruit. Get ready, buckle up, let's go. So let's begin this quick and easy dipping sauce for fruit. We're going to start off with the yogurt. I'm using plain yogurt, low fat. We're going to put in half of a cup or roughly about 140 grams. You can knock this sauce out in roughly a minute or less. I mean, it's super quick and easy. So if you have somebody unexpectedly popping into your house and you need something quick to make, this is a great healthy dipping sauce that you can have with fruit. Now we're going to go ahead and quickly add some sour cream, low-fat sour cream, half of a cup or 140 grams. This dip for fruit recipe is super creamy, it's really smooth, it does a very good job of offsetting the sweetness or the acidity of any sort of fresh fruit. It's just a great combination, perfect for a fruit platter. It's a wonderful fruit dip. And now to round out the flavors for this dip for fruit, we're going to add a touch of sweetness, just a little bit of earthy sweetness, dark brown sugar, just to give it a little bit of a well-rounded flavor. We're going to put in 1.5 tablespoons, in it goes. And that's all there is to it. So really the hardest part of this sauce is going to the store to buy the ingredients. Once you've got them, then bam, 1 minute, 3 ingredients, throw it in a bowl. Grab a spoon, warm up that arm, warm up that wrist, get ready for a little bit of a kitchen workout, and mix away. So what you're shooting for here with mixing is just to dissolve that brown sugar. You want that dark brown sugar to be mixed in really well and just more or less dissolve into the sauce. Once it's dissolved in, you're ready to roll. Your options are endless with this dipping sauce for fruit. You can use pineapples, throw in some bananas, dip some strawberries in it, take a melon, go ahead, chop it up, dip it in it, put in some grapes, blueberries. You name it, it's just really all around fantastic. It's delicious. Check it out. So that's it. Quick and easy dipping sauce for fruit. Under 1 minute, 3 ingredients. Bam. Go out, try it out. Come back. Let us know what you think. Well, thanks for watching this simple, quick and easy dipping sauce for fruit. I hope that you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and to remember, as always, to live, love, and make gravy.